I'm Russo, and I'm back with another cooking episode of La Dolce Cuoco. Today I'm going to show you something really simple and easy. It's a Nutella or a hazelnut chocolate spread. Nutella is the real name, but it's so easy to make, and honestly it tastes so much better, I think, and you know all the ingredients that are going into it. So just to get started, I'm using these nice hazelnuts. These are already roasted, but I'm actually going to put them in the pan and get them a little bit more roasted. I like them to have that really nutty taste. So you're gonna put a cup of them in a pan on medium to high heat, and you're just gonna let them sit in here. You wanna watch them because they will easily go from uncooked and not roasted to burnt. So just watch them. It only takes a few minutes to get them a little bit toasted on each side. Shake them up, and then we'll take them out and we'll blend them up. So now you can see that they're nicely roasted on the side, not too much. They didn't get burnt. We're gonna throw them in a food processor and blend them up until they're almost like a really soft peanut butter. You're gonna first see them, it looks like they're just gonna stay crumbly and they won't look like they're mixing, and then they'll go from that right into a really nice, smooth, creamy consistency, and then we'll move on to the next step. A nice peanut butter like consistency. So the next step is basically to put everything else. So you just want to put about a half a teaspoon of salt in. Not too much. This is coarse, so I'm not going to put a lot in. Then your sunflower seed oil or any type of vegetable oil. I stay away from canola oil. I don't really like that. A little bit of vanilla. I just go by eye. I'll add in 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder and our half a cup of powdered sugar. We're gonna wait to put the melted chocolate chips in until we blend this up. It's a really nice consistency. We're going to add in our 1/3 cup of melted semi-sweet chocolate chips. This just gives it that extra little smooth chocolate flavor. And blend it, and we will have our very own hazelnut chocolate spread, aka Nutella. Here it is. Now, if you really wanted to make it very, very smooth, you could put it through a little mesh strainer, but I like a little bit of the texture. Look at this. It's absolutely silky. Let's give it a little taste. Perfect. You can dip anything in this. Fruits are really good. I love a graham cracker. That's amazing. Even cookies. Glaze it on top of a pound cake. Absolutely amazing. But you guys know you can use Nutella or hazelnut chocolate spread for so many different things. I hope you try this recipe. If you do, remember to tag me at La Dolce Cuoco. And you can find more recipes here and on my site, livewithhammer.com. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.